Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Harris, and today I want to spend a few minutes and show you how to update the software on your Elements motor from Kerr Endodontics. So from time to time, we know that technology is constantly advancing and we're going to need to update softwares as new files come out. One of the great things about this motor is it's very easy to update. So let me walk you through the process so you can see how to do it on your own. So one of the first things you want to do as you're updating the software is reach around to the back and go ahead and turn off the power switch. Once it's off, on the left side of the motor, you're going to see a little rubber dust cover, okay? You want to pull that back. That's going to give you access to insert the memory card. So the memory card, the key thing about the memory card is make sure the label is facing forward when you insert it. And you're going to go ahead and insert the memory card into the motor, making sure that the label is completely disappeared. So you don't want to see any label once the card is inserted, okay? If it's not all the way inserted, you're going to get an error message along the way, so just make sure it's inserted all the way. Once it's inserted at that time, we'll reach around back to the back of the motor and turn the main power source back on. And the first thing that's going to come up is it's going to say memory card detected, ready to reprogram. So at that point, we're going to hit select, which means yes. It's going to give us a little warning now that when we do this, everything's going to be erased, and that's okay. We're going to go ahead and select yes again, or push select. So at that time, we'll see that it tells us it's programming. We're going to see the progress bar at the bottom letting us know how much time is left to reprogram the motor. So we'll know that the program's been successfully updated because it'll tell us right there on the top, and it'll let us know that we can eject the card at this. But it's going to tell us the version of the software that is now on the motor, and we just need to make sure that the version that pulls up on the motor is the same one that matches the memory card. If for some reason the programming was not successful, it'll let you know on the motor. At that point, go ahead and go back, start from the beginning, and repeat the steps that you just went through. If that continues to give you issues, pick up the phone. You can call Kerr's customer service department. The number is 1-800-KERR-123. That's just Kerr 123. They're fantastic and they'll get you taken care of.